Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove an unwanted page within your PDF file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a file in the form of a PDF file. So we can now start this tutorial. Now let's focus on the desktop. I have a screenshot, a Word document, and a PDF file. So let's click on the PDF file, open with preview, and the idea of this tutorial is to delete the unwanted page that we do not require. So let's just show the thumbnails, and the blank page that we do not require needs to be deleted. So we can right click and that would close the whole PDF file, which is not something what you want to do. Let's go back to the document, the file itself. Now click on the unwanted page and delete. That's it. Now Command S to save. Quick preview. Let's go back to desktop screenshot. Double click and there we go. The unwanted page is no longer available. Quick preview. What we can also do is go back to the original document, remove the unwanted page, but you can only do this if the PDF file version was created from the Word document. So let's Command S to save. Now let's save as. File format, PDF, desktop screenshot 1, save. Yes, quit Word, and there we go. Desktop screenshot, only one page, so we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.